Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another try on haul. Today's try on haul is going to be from Shein, and these are some dresses that I picked up for back to school. And this is my Shein try on haul teacher's edition. Stay tuned. So before we get started with the try on, let me know in the comments section below if you are a teacher and what grade or subject you teach. If you're not a teacher, let me know what your favorite subject was or is in school. Okay, so again, this is my teacher try on haul from Shein. I'm going to be trying on 8 different dresses. The dresses are super cute, super affordable, super comfortable. You're definitely going to love them. All of the dresses are under 20 bucks. Under 20 bucks. Stay tuned. Okay, so our first dress is the Ditsy Floral Print Lettuce Trim Dress. It is in the color navy blue. This dress was $20. It is a short summer A-line dress, has a V-neck, it's a regular fit, short sleeve, butterfly sleeve. It is also high-waisted. Absolutely love this dress. It's layer tiered and it is polyester, 100% polyester, non-stretch. Again, this is the Ditsy Floral Print Lettuce Trim Dress. Okay, next up we have the self-belted floral print dress. It is in the color black. This dress is $9. $9. Okay, so this dress is a short summer dress. It is a tunic type fit, regular fit, round neck, short sleeve. This is 100% polyester also and non-stretch. Okay, next up we have the Ditsy Floral Print A-line dress. It is multicolor. It's a short summer A-line dress, regular fit, round neck, short sleeve. This is also high-waisted. It is a flared dress, 97% polyester, 3% spandex, and it is also non-stretch. And this dress is $18. Next up, we have the all over print wrap neck tie back dress. It is multicolor. This is the boho style. It's tribal pattern, short summer dress, smock type, ruffle sleeves. It has a tie in the back. It's a regular fit V-neck, 3/4 length sleeves, batwing sleeves. This is also a high-waisted dress. It is 100% viscose and it is non-stretch material. Next up, we have the all over printed belted A-line dress in the color black. And this dress is a short summer dress, A-line belted. It's a regular fit, round neck, short sleeve. It also is high-waisted, flared bottom, and it is 100% polyester, and it does have a slight stretch. And this dress was $15. Next up, we have the all over print wrap neck tie back dress. And this is a multicolored dress. I absolutely love this dress and the colors. It is a tribal pattern, short summer smock type dress, regular fit, V-neck. The sleeves are 3/4 length and they are batwing sleeves. And this dress is high-waisted, 100% visco, and it is also non-stretch material. Okay, next up we have another Ditsy floral print lettuce trim dress. This is also multicolor. It is the Daisy floral pattern. It's a short summer A-line dress, has a lettuce trim, it's a regular fit V-neck, short sleeve, butterfly sleeves, high-waisted, 100% polyester, and no stretch. And this dress is $20. And last but not least, we have the all over printed belted A-line dress in the color brown. And this dress is a short summer A-line dress. It has a belt that goes to it, round neck, short sleeves. It's also high-waisted, 100% polyester, and it does have a slight stretch. And this dress is $15. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.